Here's a list of authentic online earning platforms that are suitable for people without specialized skills. These platforms cover a variety of earning methods, from freelancing and surveys to simple online tasks. We already uploaded a full process videos how you can start earning, and we will provide soon on such platforms. Freelancing platforms. Upwork offers opportunities for data entry, virtual assistant work, and customer support roles. Fiverr, you can provide basic services like writing, logo design, and even simple voiceovers. People Per Hour offers a variety of micro-tasks, including basic research and data entry. TaskRabbit, great for offering virtual services including scheduling, social media management, etc. Online tutoring. LiveX, easy to start teaching without formal teaching certificates. Superprof.com, a global platform for tutors in various subjects, including language and general skills. Italki.com, another language tutoring platform. Online tasks, surveys. Swagbucks, pay to take surveys, watch videos, and play games. Inbox Dollars, similar to Swagbucks, but also offers cashback for shopping. Sutesting.com, get paid to test websites and apps. Content creation, social media. Medium.com, get paid for writing articles. You can also use affiliate links in your posts. Ko-Fi.com, a platform to receive tips for your work, including content creation.